Hi everybody, it's Christina and thank you for joining me. So today I'm going to use the Warm Florals paper pack to create this rather easy bookmark. There's no dies needed, we just need the kit that we have. So from the paper pack, choose your favourite piece of paper, and for mine I've used the foiled one, but I'm going to use a paler one this time, and I think we'll stick to the foiling. So this is the piece of card that I've chosen, and this has got the foiling on it. So all I'm going to do is fold it corner to corner. Now you may need a bone folder just to enhance that crease. So that's all we've got now. It's only single-sided paper, so if you wanted to line it, you would need another piece. So once you have this shape, you're going to take each corner down to this corner, and you're going to fold it nice and sharply, and then you're going to do the same with that one. And again, use your bone folder just to put the creases in there nice and neatly. So once you've done that, you can open it out, and you're going to take this one down to the centre, and again bone fold it, and then you can close it back up. Now when you fold these up this time, you're going to tuck those into that flap, and again you will need your bone folder, and you're going to do the same with the other side. Just tuck it down into that flap. So this is what I mean about it being single-sided paper. You have the pattern on the outside, but on the inside it's plain. So I've taken another sheet of card, and I'm just going to push that into the gap, and then on the other side I'm just going to make some small marks and trim that off. And once I've done that, I can glue that to the inside of my little folded envelope, and that will just sit in there and be glued in place. So to dress mine up a little bit further, I've taken these other extras from the kit. So I'm taking a piece of this washi tape, and I'm just going to add this to the base of my card, just along here, and I can always trim off any excess. I've added another piece of the washi tape to some extra card. I'm going to add the ribbon along here and put my flower on there, or I might just put the ribbon under there. Add my flower along there, and then to the top of it I'm going to add the thinking of you. So there's the bookmark that will fit very neatly over your pages, just to keep your place in the book. So just to very quickly go over again what we've done. pretty bookmarks, very easily made, no dies needed, and all I've used is the Warm Florals paper kit. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please join me on the next one, and why not subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and you'll always be aware when I add a new video. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.